Guys, amazing return, 115%. The market's crashing. You gotta respect that. The trade I shared in the private list was settled. We trade this coin twice. It's all about the volume spike plus buyer power. You gotta respect that. The whole market's crashing. The whole market's crashing. Okay? So, trade recap. Settle. Let's go. Here we go. Right here. Settle, guys. First time. I shared this trade in the private list right here on March 4. We bought this coin for 0.008 and put a sell order right here, 0.014. Guys, 65% profit. I make 6,500. Take a look at this chart. This coin is all about volume spike plus buyer power. When the buyer power controls the market, the price pumps, guys, because there is no sellers. Second time, I shared this trade in the private list right here, March 9. We bought this coin for 0.001 and you put a sell order up here, 0.015. Guys, 53% profit. I made $5,000 in this coin, in this trade. Guys, don't waste your time. The time is now. Pumpdumpboy at gmail.com. If you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out. Do you remember Edgeware, how much money you made? Take a look at this. The price pumps and that's it. You make money. You have a single opportunity to make money. That's how I share my trades in the private list, because together we are strong. More people buying the same coin at the same time. Take a look what happened. There's no sellers. It's a fight between buyers and sellers. Anywhere on the buyer side. That's the reason I share my trades in the private list, because together we are strong. Follow my Twitter account, guys. I just put an update about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the key of everything, because I'm telling you, the market's crashing down. Take a look at my watch list. This is the main cryptos. Let me make this thing smaller so you can see better. The market's crashing. All those coins crashing too, because they are traded without volume. They follow. Look at the chart, the 7-day charts. They are all equal. They are equal because they follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the main crypto. Okay, we don't lose money here because we don't buy and hold. We buy and sell. You buy before the pump and sell up high. Feel free to reach me out, pumpdumpboy at gmail.com. My software is tracking the whole market, guys. Right now, I'm tracking 3,000 coins. I control from my computer the whole crypto market. I know everything's going up, everything's going down. I know everything. I control everything for this from my computer here. Okay? Let's trade together. Together we are strong. We just made 115% profit on the crashing market. That's what I'm talking about. We are jumpers. We jump on the right time. Feel free to reach me out. pumpdumpboy at gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.